National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Christian County, Moultrie County, north central Shelby County, southern Macon County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Blue Mound, or 13 miles southwest of Decatur, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dalton City around 8:35 p.m. Bethany around 8:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Lovington and Sullivan.